everyone. So in the last tutorial we saw that we could push our rectangle like horizontally and then gravity pulls it back again. But we also noticed that if I run my application again, I can move up and that there is gravity pulling me back. But if you see, I can go beyond my window, which I don't like, and this shouldn't be happening in our game. Like, the player should not be going beyond with the thrust. So I only want this to have a thrust up till the center of the window, somewhere here, somewhere like this, and then falls back, somewhere like this, and it falls back. And to limit it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this apply thrust function, which is being called from our KML right here. When you push key up, this function is called, right? So going back to this function again, I'm going to quickly put an if else situation here. So if my current y position is greater than the height of the window, let's say somewhere center, so our height of the window will be bottom y divided by 2. If my current position is greater than this, than the center, then what I want is our y speed to be 0. So no matter how many times you push your up arrow key, there will be no value to change it. Like our y value will be, y speed will be max thrust, which is minus 30 or minus 15. Okay, minus 15 it is. So if you go beyond your center, then the speed becomes 0. So no matter how many times you click the up arrow key, nothing will change. So you will just fall right back. If I run this again, oh, my rectangle is not moving. So because it starts from 0, see, the window starts from 0 to the value, because I put like if it is greater than the window, that means that it is already down. So if to be greater than the window size, it has to go beyond the window. So this statement is already true because my my position, my rectangle's position is greater than the center of the window, right? Because it is like downwards, the value is greater. Let me flip this. Yeah, see, I can go further from here. No matter how many times I click it, it just restricts me here and I fall back. And to make it even better, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 10 here so that the thrust looks genuine. Yes, nice. And I can move further than this, or I'll just keep my 15 and then restrict it even further than my half of the window, which would be 2.5. Let's do 2.5, and I think this will be fine for me. Whoa, it's going even further up. That's not what I wanted. So 1/5. I also keep on forgetting that it starts from 0 to the value, so I'm going closer to 0. So it should be as less as possible to go somewhere below the center, right? And I need the higher value to like only jump till here, and lesser value to jump till here because it is closer to 0 when you move upward to the window. Because our coordinate starts from 0, 0 to the width of the window and the height of the window below it. So if I run now, yeah, I can move further from here. I can move further from here. Seems good to me. Yeah, this is for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next.